Today I'm going to show you how you can make it look like something's coming out of a folder in Canva.
So first you want to go to Elements and find a folder that you can use as reference. Now we're going to grab a box and we're going to use curved corners on it, and we're basically going to put it on top of this folder to try and make our own out of shapes. Adjust your rounded corners to get it how you would like it to look. Then you want to duplicate this to be able to put one at the back. So for this one you want to choose a different darker color to put it behind at the back. Add all the tabs, create the design how you want it. You're also going to want to add another square that's flat at the bottom because we don't want curves on the bottom. Then we're going to grab a picture of our file and we're going to make sure we put it between. So you want to go to layers and make sure it's sitting between the top and the bottom of that folder so it looks like it's sitting in between. Now you want to position it where you want the animation to end. Then we're going to click on it and go to animate, and you're going to choose baseline. You're going to move that baseline right down to 0. You're going to make sure it's going from bottom to top and just on enter. It pops out of the folder.